Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and first of all I wish you all a very happy 2025. Let's have a great one. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Floofie and I am the owner of my little passion project called Picky. So what should I say? I really should write a script. This is going to be the very first vlog of this year, and I have some tutorials in my mind. But the very first one that I'm planning to put out is the little chick, the white chick. If you are in touch with my Instagram stories, I don't post much on Instagram posts. Like, I don't post posts. The what? Okay. Wait, something is wrong. I've been getting some weird smells, like something's burning. I don't know. I got a mic. Like, I received this 2-3 days back, and I totally forgot to post it on my Insta stories. I just put it to charge, and I feel like it's so smelly. Maybe it's burning. I don't know, let's see. What was I getting? Oh, and I got this necklace. I'll put up some unboxing videos. I got the unboxing video, but I couldn't, like, I didn't have time to edit. I mean, like, I do have time, but I was too lazy to edit it and upload. So here I got this beautiful necklace. I really like simple necklaces like this, and I got this mic, and I also got, oh my god, I got this. Can you see? Oh my gosh. How would I show this? Okay, these are safety eyes. Oh, what the hell. These are safety eyes, and I got in two sizes, 20 millimeters and I think 16 millimeters. I can't remember. This is the first time that I'm using safety eyes, and these are kind of like gifts to myself. I also got a dress and this bracelet, and yeah, those I just gifted myself for the new year. So I wanted to kind of like make this an intro video about me. If you are following me for some time, like, I started this channel like back in 2021 maybe. I can't remember, honestly. I can't remember, but I wasn't very consistent in posting videos because of my day job and all. And since I quit the job like recently, I thought of last year I had very inconsistent posting of tutorials. There were few hit tutorials, but since I didn't post consistently, I think the channel's reach has drastically dropped down. I got like nearly 38k views on one of my videos, like one of the very first videos that I published, the whale, how to make a Vinci whaley, that video, and I was super happy and super excited. This year my target is to get my YouTube channel monetized, and YouTube wise, for that I'm going to be posting one video per week, or at least one video per 2 weeks if I'm like super lazy, which and I'm also doing my degree, like it's my second degree in mechatronics. So I'm kind of like busy these days with the finals, since the finals are starting on January 28th. And yeah, but still I will do my part for my small business. So hopefully I'll be ending up in some markets this year, and I'll be starting to do workshops this year, which, yeah, is like, I think it's one of the stepping stones in my passion project. So I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me all the time, and I have some clips from the previous years last two markets that I did, market 4 and 5. Market number 3 was the K-pop cha-cha market, which I have some clips of it, like I will put it up in this video at the end. And the last market that I did was at Kurumba Bay, Waligama, and it was like open for mainly for foreigners, and I had a like slow day in the beginning, but after that kids, that was the first market that little kids were interested in my stuff. And yeah, I had a great time like talking with them and packing orders for them. It was not a flop. The very floppiest market was the Colombo Life style or something. That market, I put up the video vlog for that. You can go back and check it out. So if you are a crocheter and if you are looking to put up markets, I mean, like, it depends on your area and all. So the Kurumba Bay market, it was in Waligama, and I really wanted to do one market, like I really wanted to do one market outside of Colombo, so I selected that place. I don't know why, it just came to my Instagram feed that they're having the pop-up stalls, so I booked it. Yeah, so that's how my last year went. So this year I'm gonna like hit 100 sales on Etsy. I mean, I wanted to hit 100 sales by January 31st last year, but I couldn't. I think I got about 86 or 7, and this year I'm gonna go 100, then 150. Let's see, maybe 200, who knows. I should probably publish at least one pattern per month. That is my target for Etsy, and YouTube, one video at least 2 weeks, per 2 weeks, and on Instagram I should schedule like one post per 2 days maybe. I should try at least. And yeah, I'm gonna do a quarterly review, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Thank you so much for sticking around and supporting me. I see you guys. I read all your comments. I reply to almost all the messages I receive on Instagram. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay, so the main reason that I started to shoot this video was to show you guys this, and I totally forgot it. This is the very first commission that I completed for this year. It's a raccoon boy, and if you guys have played Sly Cooper on PlayStation, I had it on PS3, and for some reason I didn't finish the game, but I remember it. Like, you have a hook or whatever that is called, like you can use it to like slide on the light poles. Like, what am I saying? Oh my god. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to say that this was a challenging plushie, especially the eyes. The eye part, it's not perfect, but I tried to do the best. And these big eyes is one of the eyes that I ordered. Like I showed you guys, I ordered some new sets of safety eyes, and this is one of it. And yeah, I am so happy to have made this order. Look at how cute it is. Oh my god, you guys clearly test my limits and my skills. Like, each time I get a commission, it's kind of, most of the time it's very challenging for me, and I unlock new levels of crocheting and creativity. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, this is the very first commission that I completed for 2025. Look at it still. Is it clear? Okay. And I'm planning to complete, like, did I say that? Okay, so I'm going to track the commissions this year, I'm gonna use a code like 2025 JanCom1. This is 2025 JanCom1, which stands for year 2025, the month of January, commission number 1. So at the end of the year, we can all go through like how many commissions that I've made, and yeah, kind of like a tracker. And also I made these. Oh, it's Gigi. I made 5 of these. This is for the cafe restock, and I started making more Totoros after a long time. I think since Comic-Con I'm making Totoros. I also made a small one. Look at the size. But I didn't write the pattern for this, so this is kind of free-handed. Okay. You can place commissions through Insta, or you can snatch my patterns from Etsy. So thank you so much for tuning in. Have a nice day. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay happy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Oh, and why is the cam so like low? Okay guys, I also made I started to make a big froggy. This was one scheme, and I only managed to make the head, so I have to like purchase more yarn. So it's still like this. Something is wrong with my voice. And I also made this. Do you know the AI robot Mufflin, like the AI pet? I was inspired by it and I wanted to make a Mufflin, but this is how it ended up. I think this is like too tight, like it's too defined here. It should be like more like not so defined. But after I finished making this, I was thinking like, oh my god, look at this. I have something in my mind, like I'm gonna convert this into that. It's so cute. It's so cute, guys. These are the yarn that I got. I got towel yarn in these colors, and I got these 5-ply velvet yarn, these 3 colors, and I ordered some milk cotton yarns. I'll put a photo or something of the yarn in the video somewhere, maybe, or I'll probably post it on Instagram. So yeah, that's it. I guess I told everything that I wanted to. I don't have anything to yap. Okay then, see you guys. Bye bye. Okay guys, I'm at the capcut center and this is my first time joining here. At the entrance I received this green. It looks so nice. And this. Hi.
I'll ask you a PP. That pink color one.
Oh,
I have you on IG.
I didn't have time to make.
It's okay. I'll buy it next time. We'll do an post on your IG. Then I'll buy it.
That was you then.
Yes. See you later.
Okay. I received this because I like black pink. My favorite. Black and pink, and the theme is black, blue, gold, yellow, but I wanted to wear black pink. Let's see. So my number was 327. we're here. Hi. Excuse me.
Yes.
Really? Thank you.
Best luck for this.
Thank you so
You're
much.
going to
I wish you the best of luck for your future. Enjoy the show. I can't come inside or anything here. Bye. Okay, I just received this from one of the girlies who bought something from me. I think they were like the first to buy something. So I'm just gonna put that in here. Ooh. Okay, and we have this small notebook. Oh, it has a key tag, like a key tag notebook. Bye! Enjoy! Thank you! So, it's like a notebook. Really nice. So I got this, and the bookmark. And this. It's 11:48 and this is the treat that I am getting. The girl from the next store, she just go and got it from me, got it for me, and yeah, I'm gonna have it now. I'm leaving now. It's 2:30, almost 2:30, and since I have some assignments and a lab report to complete, I decided to leave now because it's no point staying, and this is a side of the BMIC that I've not seen before. It feels so awkward because I'm the only one here. Just look. It's like the place is deserted. Anyways, there is gate 2. Hopefully I can exit from there. Right. Let's see. Oh, that is the normal BMIC that I know. I'll just go from this side. Okay, I'm out and I do not know where I should go, so I'm just gonna pick a book, a pick me, pick a book me, book a pick me, and go to Borala. So yeah, bye. You have to say anything? You have anything to say? You have to say anything. Tired. Tired? Yeah. Very nice. And I'm hungry. Yeah, time is 3:52. The market was supposed to go on till 6, but I'm going now because I felt like it was enough for me. It was okay. Yeah, maybe I'll talk about it more later. Bye. Bye. Bye.